What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about how millionaires are made in crypto. So definitely stick around to the end of the video. It's actually quite simple. So listen up. And also, before we even get on to that, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you guys want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And this video was brought to you by marsellis.beatstars.com. If you need background music for your YouTube videos, or if you just need beats for your music, I got you. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight to it. So notice how everything in crypto is down. 21K Bitcoin, 1,000 or $1,200 Ethereum here. We have $239 Binance coin. We got Cardano down to 49 cents. We got all these different discounts here because that's exactly what it is. Doge, 6 cents. These are all discounts inside of the whole overall crypto market. Now, the reason why I'm talking about this is because this is how the millionaires are made in crypto. You think they just kind of jump in and they just ride it all the way up to the top and then, to the moon, all that. No, it doesn't work like that. Like, they don't just jump in at random times. They jump in at the best possible time. And right now is one of the best times. I definitely think we have more way to go down inside of crypto, but this is still a good opportunity to get in. And like I would say, this is a good opportunity to just dollar cost averaging a little bit at a time. Like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all, but this is a good strategy in my personal opinion. Now, moving on kind of from the whole Bitcoin thing, but like look at the max price for Bitcoin though. Just look at how things pump and then they're down. They pump and then they're down. They pump again. And notice how when it's pumping, right? It's pumping around May. It's pumping around March, April, all these times. Like it's pumping January, all that stuff. And then over here, again, pumping around November, pumping around October. So we have these major pumps inside of crypto, right? So we'll look at Ethereum. Ethereum is the same thing. You can actually see this. So we were pumping and then it went down and then it pumped again and then went down. This is really how the crypto millionaires are made. They get in right here. They ride it up to the top. They notice that it's all FOMO, fear of missing out, and they know this is where you want to sell. So what they pretty much end up doing, they sell at the top here and they let everybody, sell at the bottom. They let the price goes down and then everyone starts to sell at the bottom, like all the retail traders, all the broke people, pretty much. Let's be honest. They start selling at the bottom, and literally all the rich people took their money at the top. The same thing happens here. They buy in at the bottom, and then they run it up, and they sell. They let it go down. They let all the poor people sell at the bottom, and then it happens again. They end up buying again at the top, and then it goes down, and now they're starting to buy again at the bottom. So you see this pattern here, and this isn't only in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Every single crypto does this. Look at how it's just moving sideways. It's just flat. And then Shiba Inu pumps, boom. And then it goes back down, moving sideways, moving flat. And then it just pumps again, moving sideways, moving flat. Do you think the crypto millionaires are buying all the way at these peaks? They're not doing that. They're literally letting it drop like it is now and crash. And then they're buying at the bottom. Like right now is a good point to get in. And this isn't just Shiba Inu. Look at Baby Doge. I talk about Baby Doge coin a lot on this channel. It's up 11.6% in the last 24 hours. That's pretty good. But look at Baby Doge. It has a nice pump, has a nice pullback, has a nice pump, has a nice pullback, has a nice pump, has a nice pullback. Do you really think these crypto millionaires are buying at the tippy top of these pumps? Like, I don't think they're doing that. And I actually know they aren't. They're not doing that. They're letting everything drop, and they're literally just selling the bag on everybody. They're just literally selling out at the top, taking your money, and then watching it go down and then letting you sell at the bottom. And then they buy it again at the bottom. And then boom, it pumps, and they sell it, and they do the same thing over and over again. And really, the main thing that you want to take away from this is how can you use this in your benefit? So I would say this: you really don't want to be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these top tier coins. I would even argue not even Shiba Inu, like not even all these other coins like Shiba, Doge. Like, yes, they have potential, okay? But do they have taking you from $1,000 to millionaire potential? Do they have taking you from $10,000 to millionaire potential? They have taken you from $100,000 to millionaire potential. Oh, that's easy. That's a 10x right there. That's definitely possible with Shiba Inu. That's definitely possible with Doge. All you really got to do is multiply their market cap by 10. So 70 billion market cap, that's very hard to get. But remember, Shiba Inu already made 50 billion. The next time we pump is going to be even higher than the previous one. It always is like that. You can actually see it like this. Every single time we pump, it's always higher than the previous pump. So $70 billion market cap Shiba Inu is not out of the question. It's not far-fetched. So this is, I'm just saying this to like tell you this, like there's huge opportunities here, but when you're buying these top tier cryptos, you're really not getting your money's worth because it doesn't have as much upside potential, right? Whereas something like Baby Doge, let's just talk about Baby Doge. I know I talk about it a lot, but I talk about it a lot because it has potential to do what Sheeb did. It has the potential to do what Doge did, what Floki did. It has the potential to do this stuff. So pretty much with Baby Dogecoin, it's literally at like the lowest point we'll probably ever see it. This is $268 million market cap. Like Baby Doge, like 10xing right now. Just think about that. That's $2.68 million or 2.68 billion inside of market cap if it 10x's. Like a 10x is nothing for this. Like 2.6 billion, that's nothing for a market cap. Now imagine the 100x. Now this is where things start to look really nice here. Whenever you look at it from a 100x perspective, if Baby Doge were to 100x, and not even if, but like when, and then you just multiply their market cap by 100, this is literally going to bring us to a $26.8 billion market cap, which is easy. Doge was holding that down, no problem. Shiba Inu was holding that down, no problem. All these other cryptos that were pumping were holding $26 billion market cap, no problem. In a bull market, $26 billion market cap is easy. And look, when Baby Doge gets listed on Binance, Robinhood, Crypto.com, Coinbase, all these other exchanges like Voyager, Kraken, when we get listed on all these major exchanges, Qcoin, like this is literally going to send Baby Doge to the moon, and more money is going to flow through Baby Doge, which is going to pretty much heighten the market cap. So right now we're only at 268 billion. Just imagine that 26.8 billion. So I say all this to say this, like the smaller market cap cryptos that have a solid foundation, those are the ones you want to be focused on. You don't really want to be focused on Bitcoin if you're trying to get like rich. If you're trying to become a millionaire off like $1,000 or $10,000, Bitcoin is just not going to do that for you. It's just not. And then Ethereum, the same thing. It's just not going to make you a millionaire off $1,000. But I mean, Baby Doge, I'm not necessarily saying $1,000 is going to make you a millionaire off there, but it gets you like a quarter away there. And then when you ride it up to the top, that's where you sell, and then you go ahead and you put that money into another small market cap, or not market cap, but small market cap crypto, like that's at its bottom. So there's huge opportunities here with Baby Doge. There's huge opportunities here with all these small market cap cryptos. So they're really the ones that you want to be focused on. So like not Shiba Inu, not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, but like Baby Doge, Proton, for example. You can see over here, it has 37.7 billion market cap. Just imagine when it pumps. They have their own blockchain, and it's kind of like a social media type blockchain. So it has huge potential. So look, when they were at their peak, they pumped huge, and then they pulled back. They pumped again, pulled back, pumped again, pulled back. Notice how every single time they pump is the exact same time that Bitcoin and Ethereum pumped, like around April and March and May. The same thing happened here. Around October and November, we pumped. So this is just to say this, when the whole bull market starts for crypto, you really want to be focused on these small market cap cryptos. And that's literally how crypto millionaires are made. But yeah, definitely go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you like the video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And this video is brought to you by Marsellis.beatstars.com. If you need background music for your YouTube videos, or if you just need beats for your music, I got you. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.